Hey, what's up guys? I am going to be showing you how to set up and use your GunBudd. Basically a GunBudd setup or review tutorial, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be demoing it on the Atom X88 Infinity spray gun. It's a brand new model. They haven't actually even released it yet. But here we go. So this is what you get in the GunBudd box. I have one already open, as you see. But I'm just going to show it to you from unboxing. So you get the little charger port here, okay, and it's basically a USB charger. You could plug it in, you could use your iPhone or your phone charger or whatever, okay. It comes fully charged, but I would just charge it anyway. And this is another belt style attachment that they give you. I really have no use for this, but they include it anyway. So here you go, out of the box. You got GunBudd, you got a protective film over it here. Now keep in mind that this is a plastic lens. Okay, I think the new model, they want to try to come out with a glass, but it doesn't really matter because when I show you how to set this up, you're going to be protecting the whole thing from your overspray anyway. Okay, it's a perfect way to use and set up your GunBudd. So out of the box, it comes pretty much adjusted for a normal size 650 milliliter or 1000 milliliter cup size like I have here. And this will fit on any spray gun, okay? At the bottom here, you're gonna see the USB charge port, okay, where you can easily just plug this in like this and just charge it up, okay? Super easy. A little light will come on once it's charging. Just charge it, you could charge it overnight, but I'm pretty sure this thing is fully charged. So make sure you close this before you use it. And if we look at the buttons here from the top, okay, on the left side, if we look at the buttons, okay, this is a little blue light comes on if you click the left button, okay? This is the touchless feature. So if I go like that, okay, it's gonna basically go on touchless. So if you have gloves on and you're painting and you don't want to really touch the buttons, you could just go like this pretty closely, and it's not gonna turn on and off when you're spraying. You think that if you're painting a panel, you think it's gonna go on and off, but it won't. Okay, it has to be a close kind of proximity to turn on and off the light. So when you're painting, it doesn't shut off if you're going in front of a panel or whatever, right? So that's the touchless feature. And this is the COB light. It's a very white light and is the most powerful light, okay, on the GunBudd. And then there's also the, let me just turn on regular. So on the right side is regular on and off, okay, so there's no touchless. You just turn, I like to use the regular on and off. It's just, for me, it's easier. For you, you might like the touchless, right? So this is the main light feature. If you click it again, it'll have a LED center focused light. It's more of a focused light, if you can see here, right? On the table, here's a focused light. But I like, if you click it, it has a dim feature as well. So the focus has two intensities. And then if you click it again, it has the all, like it just brights up the whole area. It lights up the whole area, right? So I like this light the best. So all you do basically is put it on your gun like this, okay? Super easy to set up. Okay, you adjust it, okay, and then you could adjust the angle pitch so when you're painting it hits your panel perfectly, right? So what I like to do is just wrap it with saran wrap to cover it from overspray. So I like to just bring it out like this, okay, and then I will just cover the lens in saran wrap. Everybody has saran wrap at home, right? I just tighten it like this, kind of make it like a candy bar or whatever, right? Tighten it up and then just push it underneath here, okay, and just squeeze it underneath, and that's pretty much it. If you want to cut the excess off, you can, but it really doesn't go anywhere, and you can still have the angle feature working and it doesn't go anywhere. That's it. That's how you want to set up and use your GunBudd. So on the right side, if you're looking at it like this, the right side is basically your on and off and your light settings if you click it, okay? And then this side is your, once it's blue, it's your touchless feature, okay? And you could adjust which light you want like that, okay? So now it's all on. And this thing will last a complete paint job. If you're painting a whole car, You know, in between flash times, of course, you're gonna turn it off, right? And then you're gonna wait your 20 minutes or whatever, then you're gonna go around the car, because you know, each pass around the full car is only like 20 minutes, 25 minutes when you're painting non-stop, right? So that's pretty much it. You got your charger, you got your saran wrap to cover your GunBudd, and it's super easy to use. And that's GunBudd, and that's my review on how to set it up and use it. And I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.